And this one's for you, Dad.
Drunk cowboys entertaining themselves. That is a 45 caliber Hensball Ghost without knees out. That's been in there 139 years, still in there.
Okay, for those of you in marketing, this is the true meaning of branding your product.
McLowry, dead. Tom McLowry, dead. 19-year-old Billy Clanton, dead. Morgan Hurt, severe shoulder wound. Virgil Hurt, shot in the leg. Doc Holliday.
Hey, my bucket list buddies. So here I am in Tombstone, Arizona. Yes, it's a big tourist trap, but I know a lot of people have visited here and may be interested in what's going on around here. So I'll get back with you with all the things that we're doing. And this one's for you, Dad.
Got facts, 26 people was killed. There are over 140 bullet holes throughout the building. Not all the bullet holes was there, but that facts. Biggest part of them, drunk cowboys entertaining themselves. That is a 45 caliber Hensball Ghost without knees out. That's been in there 139 years, still in there today. Behind the door in the green wall, right above the labor plan, 44. The team for a belly dancer, it appears that she's got two belly buttons. The reason, cowboys come in here, belly up to the bar, get themselves all lifted up, see her reflection in the mirror, turn to use her for target practice. 6 bullet holes in her canvas and an isolation in her skirt, right below her knees. Now, get us in the back on our main casino floor.
Okay, for those of you in marketing, this is the true meaning of branding your product. An ironsmith shop that made brands back in the day, so you could brand your livestock. Yeah.
Police business, Doc. Nothing for you.
Well, Virgil, there are more cowboys heading into town, and word has it they're gunning for you. Seems to me like you could use all the friends you can get.
We can handle those cowboys just fine on our own.
Well, they're not far from here. In the empty lot off Fremont Street behind the OK Corral. They look to mean business. Boys, they've got guns.
Then we'll take those guns away from them. Come on, boys.
Sorry, Doc.
All right, Doc, if you're coming with us, you're going to do it my way. I want you to hang back. Hold on to this.
Talking to us like that. I mean, you heard they're calling us, Bill. Horse thieves, stage robbers.
Well, I mean, technically, we are horse thieves.
Billy, nobody likes you.
So what do we do now?
Oh, it's simple, Bill. The herbs get down here, we deal with them.
You don't mean we're going to kill them?
No, Billy, nothing violent like that, all right? We're gonna head on over to the epitaph, put an angry letter in the paper for them Earps. With a big, black, fancy border. Yeah, and then we're gonna kill him, you idiot. What's wrong with you?
It's a bad idea. We should just clear out.
You cowboys been looking for a fight, well, now you've got one.
Throw up your hands. We're here for your guns. No, wait, I don't want this!
Don't shoot! I don't have a gun!
You're gonna get fired when you kill him!
Holiday! I got one left for you, you lunger!
Where's the wife, right? God, Daisy. Don't taste me at all.
Remove it, boy! Hand it over!
Frank McClowry, dead. Tom McClowry, dead. 19-year-old Billy Clanton, dead. That was it. It was over before it ever started. Now, 2 months after this gunfight, Virgil Earp was ambushed outside the Crystal Palace Saloon. 3 shotguns went off, but he still refused to die. Crippled up pretty bad, Virgil wandered the West until death caught up with him in Nevada in 1905. Not as lucky was Wyatt's brother Morgan. He was shot in the back and killed playing a game of pool up on Allen Street. Morgan died at midnight, March 19th, 1882. His brother Wyatt's birthday. Now in 1887, the year this whole town began to fall apart, the 2 main causes of this gunfight died hundreds of miles apart from apart from each other. That summer, while starting a new gang up in northern Arizona, Ike Clanton was shot and killed by a mail-order detective. Not long after that, after a lifetime of drinking and smoking, well, tuberculosis caught up with yours truly up in Colorado. I don't care to talk about it. Now, Wyatt Earp was the last man standing out of all this. He'd spend his days traveling. He'd make his way from Idaho to Alaska, finally ending up in Jazz Age Hollywood, searching for another tombstone and the chance to get things right again. Now, he never would find it. Wyatt died in Los Angeles in 1929, just ahead of his 81st birthday. His final words: suppose. That, folks, was our show. We hope you enjoyed it.
All right, everybody. It's time for the Patriot Games. Who can tell where I'm at here today? Should be a pretty easy one. So do you all know where this is? Don't forget to leave your guess in the link below that says My Bucket List Day /contest. It's in the description just below. Just click the show more. Not only will you see the link to this contest, but links to a bunch of other things that might be helpful or informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and make it a great bucket list day.